Today's I am talking about Nike stocks. Here you can see this stock's price at this moment $41, and these stocks lose money today, which is negative return. In the last 5 days these stocks lose 2.5% negative market valuation. In the last 6 months these stocks lose 33% market valuation. In the last, here you can see, okay, now I can show something. Here you can see last 6 months, you can see last year to date these stocks as it is return make. In the last 5 years these stocks lose approximately 75% market valuation. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks, I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. If you see the maximum return in these stocks, which is very good, these stocks make 18,000% return, which is 188x return. But these stocks lose market valuation from here. These stocks lose own market valuation, which is 76% from 2021 to 2026. So now these stocks approximately losing movement. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.